So we're on the road and headed to Bustleton to a mate's workshop. We've got race car preparations to get done, and I'm in Terry. You haven't seen this thing for ages because it's a bit broken. And I've got Dane with me as well. Flick the camera around so they can see your face. Yes, that's the intro. At the workshop to help Xavier get his XL on track. I keep sticking my tongue out all the time. Why do I do that? Dane and I took a drive in Terry out to my mate's workshop in Bustleton to help Xavier. Underneath a little spanner. If you stuck around to the end of the last video, you would have seen that Xavier unfortunately put his car really hard up against the wall, second last lap of the last session of the day. But thank God he was okay. So Dane and I, together, on the tools, helping out Xavier to put his car together, ready for tomorrow. So much to be done on Xavier's XL. We didn't really help out too much, I don't think. But we showed up, showed our support, and got a couple of little things done to help speed the process up for him.
Woo! Look at that beauty.
How's the XL going? The XL is bloody brilliant. There wasn't really much to do. Well, there's plenty on the list that I want to get done. But unlike some of my mates who decide to pull their whole wiring loom out of their car 2 days before a race event, I don't want to touch anything just in case things go horribly wrong and I can't go to the event. So I did little piddly stuff. Check the oil, check the coolant. I put my race numbers on. I swapped out last year's race number for this year's race number. What else did I do? I got a wheel alignment for the first time ever. So my car might even actually drive straight. So that'll be interesting to see if it's faster. And just really dumb little things. I moved the tacho onto the roll cage so it's not wobbling about on that A-pillar. And I painted... I got a little bit of yellow paint and touched up the areas of the brake calipers that were looking a bit rough. 12 months of knocking rims on and off the brake calipers made them look a bit grot, so I fixed that up with a bit of yellow paint too. I'm going to put tools in my car and put it on a trailer. Because I'm not going to Collie this time and I'm not driving the XL there.